thought you were connecting your speakers.
I am.
Cap, bro, you're not even outside.
Because I'm soldering the fucking tweeters.
You ain't doing nothing, bro. You're digging around, that's what you're doing.
Soldering the tweeters.
You're digging around, that's all you're doing.
No, I'm soldering the tweeters. I swear to God. I gotta do that, and then I can connect the speakers.
Well, hurry up. This shit's not gonna work.
Dude, you think I need a bigger flathead? Let me go grab the 1 inch.
The 1 inch?
It's 1 inch thick, homie.
That shit's not gonna work. Just get a fucking Torx. Just a bigger size.
I don't have a bigger size. When there's a will, there's a way. I went with the biggest one first.
Alright, let's see your ghetto door panels, homie.
Don't worry about the cuts, bro.
What the fuck?
Is it even the right side? It is, huh?
Jungle up in here,
Do I
bro.
have to take these ones off?
Yeah? I don't know, actually. No? Yeah. Bro, imagine having to put your own electric windows in. Could be me.
I just saved myself 150 bucks.
Jesus, bro. Disconnected it. Psych. Scared you.
Don't do that again, bro. That's fucked. Shit, pick for these, huh?
Yes, sir.
Dude, you're fucking capping. This go on it.
Yes, it does. This corner piece has to go right here, I think. I put on a door panel. You don't put in those first.
Yes, you do. How else you gonna get this fucking thing in?
It slides down, dumbass.
If it's a hook. Yeah, it fucking slides down, dumbass.
It does. Bro, your neighbors are dying.
Me want your head? We're good. Fuck!
Hey guys, so right now we're at the car wash and we're about to wash Snapchat and basically show you Snapchat on all 4 of the 26s. Okay, I actually forgot my wallet. Luckily I found $1 and I have a few quarters in here. So we're gonna be washing here what I got. Jesus, bro. Ugh, shit. There's an extra quarter right here. Someone actually get a tripod, guys. So I can put you guys somewhere while I wash the truck. Now you're gonna be up there. Guys, I was low-key kind of scared to leave the camera right there since I'm alone. Crackheads out here.